We spent a weekend exploring McMinnville, parks, playgrounds, restaurants. We also got over to Fort Yamhill. And then we spent some time exploring Tualatin and Tigard area as well. May and June are busy in our family with a lot of birthdays, so we didn't travel far, we stayed close to home. We really enjoyed watching the Silverton Pet Parade. That was a unique event. And of course, there's always lots of backyard fire pit snacks and beautiful flowers in the spring in Oregon. We get out in nature as often as we can in the spring. We went on a family camping trip. It's the first camping trip we've been on since 2014 as a family. And we went with some local church families to the Cove Palisades in eastern Oregon out near Redmond. Billy Chinook was beautiful in June, and we all had a really wonderful, restful time exploring a new part of Oregon. Didn't miss a stop at the Peterskean-Ogden Bridge or at Smith Rock at sunset. Beautiful Oregon.